We've already started production on our Spud launching apparatus. We are going to complete in about 10 minutes, and then the first launch will be scheduled at T-minus, give me a second, myself in 7:25. Wait for that. Ah, fucking God! Damn it!
The electricity works.
Alright, we're a little late on our production.
Oh, turn this shit off! Fucking shock the shit out. Nothing. But it didn't shock me either. That's a good sign. I'm scared now, dude.
I think it's too far away from you.
It'd be better if you had like rubber gloves.
I'm glad you guys fucking thought that was funny. My face lit on fire, not yours.
It sucks that we didn't get that on tape.
Hell yeah. Do it again.
Fuck you! Can you say that on YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm sure they can censor it out.
I can touch it out with my video program.
Right, give me some light. And not a lighter. Light.
This is the last try. Let's go. That was loud.
Catches on.
Holy shit, dude.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Alright.
Dude! Did you get that on tape?
Yeah. That was insane.
Jeez. Where'd that potato go?
I saw it go up. I don't know where it went.
Alright, here, hold this. Hold this.